Are you curious of what are the benefits you can get from each essential oils? Then watch this video to know more about the applications and uses of each Young Living Essential Oils. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for more Young Living Essential Oils information. Lavender Essential Oil has a scent that's a wonderful blend of fresh, floral, clean, and calm. It's this dynamic aroma that has made the plant a classic for perfumes, soaps, fresheners, and beauty products. Now, this is one of Young Living Oil's popular products because it is a great beginner oil and a must for every home. Lavender Essential Oil isn't a favorite only because of its classic scent. It's also highly versatile. From skincare products to relaxing routines, this oil can infuse and enhance many areas of your life. Way to go, Lavender! You can add a few drops to lotions, shampoos, and skincare products for a classic aroma and a more youthful complexion. Adding few drops of lavender and 1 cup of Epsom salt to a bath to create a relaxing environment is also possible. If you have V6 vegetable oil complex, mix it with it and apply topically to soothe the skin after a day in the sun. Use it also to unwind in the evening with a calming lavender-infused neck or back massage. Use lavender too as part of bedtime routine by rubbing it on the bottoms of your feet or diffusing it next to your bed. Lastly, make a DIY mixture by mixing it with other essential oils such as lemon, peppermint, and lavender. Peppermint Essential Oil provides a familiar, recognizable scent, but peppermint is so much more than simply a nostalgic fresh aroma. You see, this oil can be diffused to create a stimulating, focused atmosphere for daily tasks. You can also apply it topically to create a cool, tingling sensation on the skin, which can be very soothing after hard physical activity. We recommend you using peppermint aromatically or topically anytime you want to add a pleasant variety to your routine. Peppermint it is. Peppermint cools fatigued muscles after physical activity. It produces a focused environment when diffused. Also, it provides a refreshing experience when mixed with your favorite shampoo or when applied to skin after a warm day in the sun. Last but not the least, it creates an invigorating and refreshing experience when inhaled, plus works well with ginger, fennel, and raven essential oils. Panaway Essential Oil Blend has a refreshing, invigorating aroma and a cooling sensation when applied to the skin. Panaway continues to be one of Young Living's most popular products and is a must-have for every home. Apply this synergistic blend after exercise or anytime for its soothing, stimulating aroma. Now you can combine Panaway with V6 vegetable oil complex again and use it with massage after physical activity for a cool, stimulating sensation. You can also apply it to your neck and shoulders in the morning with V6 for an uplifting, refreshing aroma. Apply it too to the bottoms of your feet for a relaxing foot massage. How about adding 10 drops of Panaway to 1 cup of Epsom salt? That is also ideal. This gives you an added warm bath relaxation in a spa-like atmosphere. Also, rub 1 drop of Panaway with 4 drops of V6 into temples for an invigorating aroma during times of stress or frustration. Thieves Essential Oil Blend is a powerful combination of cinnamon bark, clove, eucalyptus radiata, lemon, and rosemary essential oils that fills any space with a rich, spicy aroma. As one of the most popular products, it's no wonder Thieves is included in so many of our home cleaning and personal care products. It is a key ingredient in Thieves Household Cleaner, Thieves Waterless Hand Purifier, Thieves Wipes and Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. Thieves is your go-to for an invigoratingly clean and spicy scent that smells more like fall baking than a harsh cleaning formulas. Now you can use Thieves by diffusing 6 to 8 drops to help create a cozy, peaceful environment. You can also customize your Thieves experience by adding a few drops of orange, tangerine, nutmeg, or lemon myrtle essential oil. Musty carpets? Add 5 drops of Thieves to a cup of baking soda, combine well, and let sit overnight until the oil is absorbed. The following morning, sprinkle over carpets and vacuum thoroughly. Add also a few drops to your Thieves dish soap or Thieves automatic dishwasher powder to eliminate odors and boost cleaning. Add also to any of your Thieves cleaning products as well. So, there you go, the first 4 of your 10 to 12 essential oils in your premium starter kit. Which ones do you like best? Let me know down in the comments section below, because next week I'll be showing you Raven, Digest, Valor, and Frankincense. Thanks for tuning in.